ISH Frankfurt is the world's leading trade fair focusing on the responsible management of water and energy in buildings. It sets trends for modern bathroom design, sustainable heating and air conditioning technology as well as intelligent home systems. During the trade fair we visited Mr. David Benda, the export director of the Czech #1 producer of water heaters, Družstevní závody Dražice, asking him a few questions. How long have you been participating at ISH Trade Fair in Frankfurt? Could you evaluate this exhibition from your point of view?
Yes, it's a good question. We are here since 2003. So it's for us very important to be here, and the main difference is that the first exhibitions we were here practically as a no-name company, whilst in the last years a lot of people know us and is going to visit us because they have experiences with Dražice. Yeah, you know, the ISH Frankfurt is one of the most important because it's not only because German market, but it's going about the fact that we are able to meet all the people from the world in here. So this is the important issue. From the other exhibition, I would like to say we are usually in Moscow, Aquaterm Moscow, the same Aquaterm in Kiev. But for example, last year we visited also the American markets and exhibitions. We were in Chile, Santiago de Chile, and then in Chicago on the HRR exhibition.
Could you introduce your product range and the news you are showcasing here?
The range of the product of Dražice product is it's very big, very huge. So it's usually difficult to find some product to put it on the small stand. But we have here small tanks. We have here indirect tanks which are stationary. We have here some novelties like a flat water heater, and let's say top news which we have in here is a hybrid photovoltaic water heater with air condition. One of the very important products is the hybrid photovoltaic system, where we use the energy from the photovoltaic panels for domestic hot water, or we can use the same photovoltaic energy for air conditioning. Here you can see one of our news, which is Indirect stationary water heater NTRRHP Sol. On the next panel we would like to show you the flat electric water heater OG81. And here you can see one of our accumulation tank, which is another 320 V11. Let me introduce the portfolio of small water heaters. First two water heaters are flow heaters, and the second two are the electric pressure water heaters in a volume of 10 liters and 20 liters. And in the 20 liters you can see our specialty. You can get, instead of a hot water, very cold and perfect beer.